Can toothpaste get rid of facial and armpit hair painlessly? This is a fun part. Supposed to come out. Stop shaving. Use this recipe to get rid of your facial and armpit hair permanently, okay? Welcome back to my channel. Let's try this recipe. Have you seen those viral recipes like that you just use the cotton pad to just tap it and the hair just comes off like that? Shh. Yes. So for our first recipe, we will need 2 teaspoons of flour, a tablespoon of ginger juice, a teaspoon of lemon juice, and a tablespoon of any Colgate here, or any toothpaste. Our next recipe, we will need 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 4 teaspoons of lemon juice, and any toothpaste of your choice. Here I'm using Colgate toothpaste or any toothpaste of your choice. And you mix all together. Try the first recipe, okay? That's the first one. We have to leave it on and leave it on for 4 minutes, okay? It's gonna remove our armpit hair. Let's wait for 4 minutes. I'm supposed to leave it on for 10 minutes and not 4 minutes like I said earlier on. So it is now 10 minutes and it's time for what we've all been waiting for. I came out to shoot so that you can see it clearly, okay? I'm so excited. This is a fun part. Supposed to come out. Okay. Okay, let me get rid of. Okay, so far I've not seen any hair so far. Okay. My flour, my paste is too thick. This recipe called for flour. It didn't state whether it was corn flour or whatever, so I used all-purpose flour. I've not seen any hair. It's supposed to come out. Where is the hair coming? Okay, another cotton. Come out. Command you to come out. Please, don't waste your time. Okay? Don't try. Don't waste your time. 0. Okay? Let me wash it off and let's try the second recipe. Guys, I'm back. The hair is still there. You can see nothing came out. Don't waste your time on this recipe. The only good side to this recipe is that my armpit smells of toothpaste. That's all. Okay, nothing happened, nothing came up. Okay, so we're gonna try the second recipe. Okay, I hope this one works. Okay, we'll be right back. Second minute is 4 minutes, and it's time. At this time, I don't know. Let's see. Nothing. Nothing. I give up. At this point, I give up. I give up. And the shaving stick is my friend. No, I'm not gonna waste my toothpaste to try any of these recipes again. Please don't try it, okay? When you see it, wherever you see it, just skip it off. This is not working, okay? Yeah, it's not working. No, just wasted my toothpaste. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, comment, like, and subscribe. See you in my next video. I saw some other recipe that will lighten my armpit. Okay, so I'm gonna try that one out in my next video. Bye.